Welcome back, children. In the last class, we studied about the ant and the cricket characters. Today, let's move to the second stanza. At last, by the starvation and famine made bold, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. See, when it started to think about the future and started to think when it not got anything, little bit of food, that made the hungry and the shortage of food, that is famine, that is shortage of food. What it made? It made with bold. Bold means with courage. It got out of that also, it got some courage. And all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. See, being wet, all wet in the rain and trembling, shivering. When it will be more cold, how you will feel? You will be shivering, na? Like that also. The cricket started to shiver. That is trembling. And away he set off to a miserly ant to see if to keep him alive he would grant. Then it remembered its friend, that is the ant. And it thought to go near the ant. And for what sake? To keep him alive, to get the food that it would get from the ant, which is the hard-working insect. For what purpose it is going? Let's see now. To him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. See, to get shelter from rain, to get protection from rain. Then what? And a mouthful of grain, to get a little bit of food. He wished only to borrow, he would repay it tomorrow. See, he wished only to borrow means he would get from the, where? From the ant, which stored food for the winter. He would repay it tomorrow. That too on which condition? It would make the condition to the ant that it will give back that food what it had taken. Instead of that, it will give another somewhat the food on the other day to the ant. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. See, if the ant will not give the food. Now let's move to the third stanza, children. Says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend. Now the polite, soft corner ant, which will say to the cricket that I am your servant as well as your friend. But we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. See, we ants, what we do? We never give to anyone or we never get anything from the others. That policy we are following. Who will say? The ant will say politely to the cricket. See, one more thing, children. I wrote the meanings of the difficult words on the board. Just copy in 100-page notebook, which will be for your classwork as well as the homework book. Okay, children? But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing bad when the weather was warm with the cricket, not I? See here, now the ant will ask that to the cricket. Now, my lovely dear friend, cricket, now you clear me one thing that when it was summer, what you have done? You not collected food for the winter. What you did at that time? You knew, now give me the answer. Who will ask? The ant will ask for the cricket. Here, what means say, which is used in the old English language. Now let's move to the fourth stanza. My heart was so light that I sang day and night. For all nature looked gay. You sang, sir, you say. Go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away. Now the cricket will give the answer to the ant that my heart was so light. See, light means glad, happy. my heart became very happy. For what? This nature, the nature had made me very impressive, and all the time what I made? I praised the nature. How? By singing. By singing that which made me very happy, which gave me very happy in my life. So, throughout the year, I praised the nature. I used to sing about the nature. So, what I did? I could not store the food. You sang, sir, you say. Go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away. Then the ant gets very angry on the cricket and replies that, now, whole year you sang, sir. Now you go away, cricket, you go away. What you do? Now you, that time you sang, now you go and just dance for the until winter will go off. See, now what happened? The ant became very angry and says, then the cricket felt very shame. Then what it will do? Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket, and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. See, then it quickly, when it became shame for the cricket, it quickly lifted its wicket. Wicket here means wings. It lifted its wings. Then it turned out, means it went out of the door. Then folks calls this fable. People what it will call? It will call a moral. It will say the moral poem. I will warrant it true. See, that poet will say that I will give guarantee. I will give promise that it is true. What this poem is there na? It is very true. Some crickets have 4 legs and some have 2. See, some crickets, some people will be having 4 legs. Here crickets means it compared to the humans, as means some people will be always working. Some people will be hard working, who will think about the future, and some will be having 2, as we are human. And what it will say? Some will be like cricket and some people will be as ant. See, some people will be hardworking and thinks of the future and gets good life. And some people will be always lazy and always depends upon the others. I hope you understood the poem, children. Homework, today's homework. Read and write the meanings one time. Thank you.